Copycat. Cause why you copying me?
Copycat.
Yeah.
It's all fala fashion. Fala fashion.
Fashion?
Why do that? Okay.
More like follow fashion.
Fala fashion. It's all fala fashion.
You too follow fashion. Oh, you follow fashion?
I guess so, yeah.
You too follow fashion.
So you say follow fashion monkey, come from country. Yeah.
Monkey.
Yeah.
Follow fashion monkey, come from country. What's next?
But I don't remember.
Then I remember the rest. No. Okay. Next word is what we write
Americans love this. See?
in. I do this all the time. We write in cursive.
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 Join up. You're writing join up.
Join up.
Join up. Don't you join up the letters then when you write?
Are you saying draw?
Join up.
Join up. Girl, I'm like, what is join up? Join up? That's a good way to put it, though. You join up the letters.
Yeah, so you're writing join up.
We're writing in join up today. All right, today, guys, our writing lesson is join
Join
up.
up.
Join up. She said, don't you join up the letters when you... I guess we do. And last word of the day, guys. I'm screaming. Umbilical cord.
Umbilical cord.
Umbilical cord. Umbilical cord. Why you just close your mouth and say it? Close it.
Umbilical cord.
Umbilical cord.
Neighbor string. You know?
Umbilical cord.
Neighbor string.
Neighbor string.
Yeah.
Girl, string.
Neighbor string. Yeah, string. Neighbor. This is your what? What do you call this?
Belly button.
Girl, belly button is neighbor.
I already know y'all call it neighbor.
Yeah, see a neighbor string. It's the umbilical cord.
So you tie your shoestring?
Yeah.
We don't have shoestring in Jamaica.
And chewing gum.
Girl, that's ching.
Chewing gum.
It's string too?
Mm-hmm. Some of them
So string and chewing is the same word. Girl.
I don't know.
Yeah, did you? Oh, you don't eat that.
What is
I was
it?
going to say, you ate your neighbor tree. You eat your placenta.
No, I don't. No, never.
You ain't ate your placenta?
Mm-mm.